they commissioned two of their brightest and best to design and build a stupendous supercomputer to calculate the answer to life, the universe, and everything.
Oh, Deepford, we want you to tell us the answer.
The answer to what?
The answer to life, the universe, everything. We'd really like an answer. Something simple.
I have to think about that. "42. Yes, I thought it over quite thoroughly. It is, it's 42.
What you gonna do if one of these pictures throws through your head?
I'll duck. You give me a uniform. You give me a number on my back. I'll give you the guts. You give me a uniform. You give me a number on my back. I'll give you the guts. You give me a uniform. You give me a number on my back.
And we're conveniently located, fortunately, on Interstate 35, and